Hi, my name is Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable barley soup from plantbasedonabudget.com. Start with adding about a tablespoon of neutral oil to a large pot. We're going to let it heat up a bit. I developed this recipe a long time ago. It must have been 2013 for a meal plan challenge that I was putting on to show how affordable one person can eat. And I can actually put that meal plan down below. But this was one of the first recipes I developed for that meal plan that showed that you can eat. At the time it was $25 for the week, but now I say it's about $40 for the whole week with inflation. But this one is tried and true, so good. I'm adding in half of a diced yellow onion, 5 ribs of celery. I really love the celery flavor in this soup. I'm giving it a mix while I continue to add the vegetables just so that they don't start to burn. I have this heat on medium-high heat right now. This is 2 carrots sliced, 2 garlic cloves minced. You can also add more if you'd like more of a garlicky flavor. If you've run out of garlic, you can also use some garlic granules or some garlic powder. And for the carrots, if you don't have any fresh carrots, you can add in frozen carrots. Maybe you have those blends that have frozen peas and carrots, and I keep them on hand. I get them at Walmart and keep them in my freezer just in case I run out of carrots. That will be fine too. Really, this is a versatile soup that you can add in zucchini or other vegetables you have on hand. Give everything a mix in here and let it saute for a few minutes. I've diced my onions, as you can see, but I also really like when they are sliced or in bigger chunks if you want more of a mouthful of cooked onion. It is tasty either way. Now I'm going to add in 7 cups of vegetable broth. I've used water and no chicken, better than bouillon, but you can use bouillon, you can use homemade stock, or you can use the cartons. Any rich vegetable broth will do. Again, this is 7 cups. Then add in 2 heaping cups of frozen broccoli florets, or broccoli pieces work fine. I know those are cheaper at the grocery store. You can also use fresh broccoli florets if you have them, or fresh broccoli pieces. That includes the stem, which I love the stem. Then finally, I'm going to add in 1 cup of barley to my soup, and once again, give everything a mix. Bring your pot to a boil and then lower the heat to a medium, where we're going to keep it for about 25 to 30 minutes while the barley cooks all the way. My soup is finished and it looks so tasty. I cannot wait to eat this whole bowl right now. And by whole bowl, I mean I never eat 1 bowl of soup. I eat like 3 bowls of soup. Soup is one of my favorite comfort meals. And this one is high up there recently. Now I'm going to add on some cilantro for garnish. It can be an optional addition, so if you don't have cilantro on hand or you don't like cilantro, you don't need it. But I really, really think it enhances the flavor and pairs well with the heavy celery flavor. And if you like some spice, I like adding in some red chili flakes to the top of mine to make it a little bit spicy and also pretty when I serve it. And if you want to add some freshly ground pepper, that's tasty too. As I mentioned, this is one of my favorite soups right now. I've had it maybe 4 times in the past month. So if you're only serving 1 or 2 people, you can freeze the rest. I'm going to put the principal recipe down below. If you give it a try, please let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the soup and the rest of your day. Bye.